So we're caught in a snowstorm as we went walking. Right, Sophia? Look at this. Just came down, slowing down now. Only in Canada, eh? This would happen. As I say, hey.
We're putting you out here. We're in this rainforest and it's snowing, Haley. Yes. And today I'm with my friend Katrina and her dad.
Okay. Put your hat back on, Sophia. Oh, so when we first started this walk, it was somewhat, well, it was sunny, right?
Yeah.
Warm.
Now I'm cold.
Now it's snowing, windy,
Run for shelter.
and cold. So now we're trying to head back to the car.
I don't know what way.
This is right. We're heading up this way. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. Now it's coming down even more.
It hurts my head.
Okay, so we made it out of the woods. And as you can see with the weather, it is sunny. So it went from sun to snow to sun again.